Hi, I'm Luiza and today we'll be making this cute penguin ornament out of air dry clay. I saw this idea at the Clover Patch Clay Company and I really wanted to give it a go. They used polymer clay, but I am using foam clay as it seemed a bit easier. I am shaping the black clay for the penguin's body, and for its belly I will use some white clay. You can use a rolling pin, but I had misplaced mine, so I decided to just use my fingers. Foam clay doesn't need any kind of extra adhesive for the pieces to stick to each other, so I am just smoothing out the edge of the belly because I don't want any harsh lines. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the next crafts I attempt. With a small piece of black clay I am making the eyes, and for its beak I will use some yellow clay shaped like a cone. For an extra touch of cuteness, I am giving him some rosy cheeks. After shaping the wings, I made a small hole at the top so I can hang it in the tree. After a day or so, when the clay is dried completely, I am using a clear varnish in order to seal the ornament, making sure to get in all the hooks and crannies. When the varnish has dried, I use some hot glue to add an eye-pin screw at the top. For the final touch, I will add a red and white string, and the ornament is ready to find its place in this year's Christmas tree.